Friday friendly kitchen. Today we are going to make a vegetarian version as well, and this is a Chennai meat masala, and I am making this in a vegetarian version. So let's see without further delay. And if you are new here, if you watch my channel and if you like my channel, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And without further delay, let's get into the kitchen to see what are the ingredients and how the methods are to be done. And today we are going to make this Madras meat masala, and so for that we need to marinate the meat, and for that we are only using 3 ingredients with soy chunks. This is a vegetarian version, so it is turmeric powder, salt and lemon juice. So for that we will add the turmeric powder, then we will add salt, and also we will add the lemon juice, and with our bare hands let us just mix them well. And now we will let this marinate with a sealing wrap on top of it in the fridge for a minimum of 30 minutes, but we can keep it overnight as well for best results. Second part, which we are going to fry this potato. I have peeled the skin, and so let us fry this potato until golden brown. Drop it slowly as the oil is very hot, and fry them on a medium high so that the potatoes will cook well. And also it will fry well. So just to prevent from the oil to splash, we will cover this for a little while. Dear viewers, our potatoes are pretty much ready, and we can remove them. And I think I'll leave it for a little bit, then I will remove them. It's pretty much ready though, but I'm going to make it a little crispy so that I will be adding this potato at the end of the masala. And dear viewers, we can remove the potatoes as the potatoes have been well fried. Now we can just remove them at a time. Before they get burnt, we just remove them and then it's ready. So dear viewers, now in our third part, so now first thing we will heat up the pan and add the oil, approximately about 2 to 3 tablespoons, and let the oil come to heat up the oil. Then after that we will add the ingredients. So dear viewers, the oil is not yet hot, but we can still add the mustard seed, half a teaspoon, and we will cover this so that it will spark. Then after that it will crack and spark, and after that we will add the rest of the ingredient. And dear viewers, the mustard seed has already started to crack. So now we will add cumin seeds and also cardamom pods and also cinnamon sticks and also bay leaf, and we will saute this for a minute. And now is the time we will add the onions. And as we add the onions, we need to add a little bit of salt, just to make the process fast for the onions to become translucent. And we will fry the onion until it becomes golden brown. So until then I'll keep on frying and we will be back. Dear viewers, now we can also add some curry leaves. I just added a sprig. I have 2 sprigs here, and I will be adding another sprig later as I'm finishing cooking. As the onions are starting to change its color, and so now we can add the ginger garlic paste, which is 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, and we will saute this until the raw smell goes away. So dear viewers, the raw smell has gone, and now next we will add a tomato puree, which I have grinded early. We will cook this until the oil gets separated. Dear viewers, as the tomato puree is getting, we are cooking, so same time I am adding some chopped cilantro stems, or the coriander leaf stems, green coriander. This will bring extra flavors, so I'm adding this a little bit. So dear viewers, now we can add all the spice powders that we need to add. So we will add the coriander powder, Kashmiri Red Chili Powder, and we also have Garam Masala, and we also have Coriander Powder, and also we have a hot chili powder as well, which is Cayenne today I'm using. And we will mix this up all together, and we will add a little bit of water for it to cook well. This is quite dry, and I'm adding about half a cup of water and let the masalas cook well, and then after that we will wait for the oil to get separated. And dear viewers, the masalas are already cooked, so at this time we can add the soy chunks that we have marinated. So we can put all of them, and we will mix it up well. At this point we will add some water, approximately about 1 cup to 1.5 cups, depending on how you would like to have your curry. So viewers, the water has been added, and we will cover this and we will let it cook for at least about 20 minutes. And dear viewers, the curry is coming up, and we still need to boil it until the whole thing gets dried out. I want it to be a very thick and light curry so that it will go well with chapatis or rotis, or even with rice too. So let us continue boiling this until all the liquid gets evaporated. So the gravy is becoming thick, and at this time we will just wait for a little bit, and then we will add the potato. And dear viewers, so now the gravy has already been evaporated, so it's time to add the fried potatoes and give it a stir, and also some curry leaves, fresh curry leaves, and also give it a stir. And our curry is almost ready. And to finish off this, we will add some cilantro and also some sugar, approximately about half a teaspoon of sugar, and we will mix it up all together, and we are done. And so viewers, it's time now. We can remove this from the stove. And dear viewers, our Chennai curry, the meat curry, is ready. So now we can eat it. You can eat it with roti chapatis, and as I will leave the link below in my description box on how to make chapatis, or you can eat with rice, with the vegetables and so on. And I hope you will try this in your home. And for those who are with me, thank you very much. And for those who are new, thank you for watching my channel. And for those who have been with me with many recipes, I hope you will try this as well. It is not that very hard, but it's simple, easy, but it has like several steps to be done. Thank you very much for watching Friday Friendly Kitchen for this today's recipe, Chennai meat masala. See you in my next video. I do not know what am I going to cook the next, but I will be making something for you. Thank you very much, and see you soon. Bye bye.